So I'm going to show you the first part of Bohemian Rhapsody. I'm going to show you the chords involved and the timing. Just talk a little bit about the song as well. I think it's very important. There's a couple of very interesting points about this song that I think it's important to know about, okay? The first 4 bars will make up the intro. They'll consist of 4 chords. One is called a G6. The G6 is simply, imagine a G chord, like so. Let's remove our ring finger, okay? So that's a G6. Okay, G6, just like that. The second chord is an A7, okay? We play that from the 5th string. It's the second chord. The third chord is a D7, like so. Played from the 4th string. And the next chord is a G, a normal G, like so. Okay, they're the first 4 bars that will make up the intro. So it's simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And remembering we've got a capo on the 3rd fret, okay? The verse will begin like so. The first chord is an E minor, 2, 3, 4. Next chord is a G7, okay? So first finger, 1st fret, 1st string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 6th string. That's the second bar. 3rd bar will be a C. Once again, each one of these bars holds for 4 beats. 4th bar is an A minor. And the 5th bar is a D7. Okay, so I'm just going to run over that part again. So this is the verse. So it's E minor, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, D7, 2, 3, 4. Now comes a very interesting part, okay? Let's look at it from the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. With your first finger, I want you to put it over the first 2 strings, like so. Your middle finger will be on the 5th fret on the 3rd string, like so, okay? So that's all we're going to be doing, is playing those 3 strings. So basically, if that was a chord, like so, that would be, in real life, an A flat, because that's on the bar would be on the 4th fret. But we're playing a shorter version, which is like that. So it's 4th fret twice, 3rd fret once, 2nd fret twice, back to the 3rd fret once, and repeat. Come very slowly. When you do play this the first time, it might take a bit of getting used to, just getting your fingers over those 3 strings, but just bear with it. Take your time. You don't have to rush. The most important thing is to get a nice, clean sound. See? Okay, like so. Then you will come to the next bar. In this bar, there will be 2 chords in the bar. In this time, each chord will only hold 2 beats. You'll go C to G, and then you'll go A7 for 2 beats, and D7 for 2 beats. So that's 2 bars, but in each bar, we'll have a C, then A7, and D7 will be in the second bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that'll bring you into the G. All right? So that's the beginning of Bohemian Rhapsody, and we'll continue with these video lessons. Good luck. Okay, so today we're going to talk about part 2 in Bohemian Rhapsody. This is the part here where we're dealing with finger picking, okay? I think it's important to note that with this, that we practice it really slow, and we make sure that the notes are very clear. So when we're doing it, we're looking for that clear sound. So I can't stress enough the importance of practicing this very, very slowly, okay? Let me begin with the first 3 bars that deal with the G chord, and I will show you how to do the first bar, and I'll show you in 2 parts, and then we'll put them both together. Okay? So here we go here. So this is a G note, this is a G chord, we all know that. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the ring finger off to start it. Our picking with our right hand will deal with strings 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the first part of it. Now, part 2, with our ring finger here, we now place it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And on our right hand, we'll go strings 4, 2, 4. I'll do that again. 4, 2, 4. So when we put it together, I'm going to play this very slowly. And again. So this is how you should be practicing it, at this tempo, no faster. It's imperative because this is a very critical component of the song. When people hear this, it has that definitive Bohemian Rhapsody sound to it. So when you see that G section, that's how I want you to play it. I want you to repeat the 3 times. So the first 3 bars will deal with that. In bar 4, however, we're dealing with the E minor chord. This is very important. It's slightly different, so let me show you. So let's simply make our E minor chord like so. But what I'm going to do with my pinky over here, I'm going to put it on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, like that. Okay? So part 1 to this will go like this. And once again, I'll teach you this one in 2 parts. We'll put them both together, and then I'll play it through many times. So once again, the configuration of the right hand will be 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the first part. Repeat that again very slowly. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. The second part. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to lift the pinky off. The pinky comes off. We're going to go to string 4, 1, 4. Okay, so when we lift the pinky off the second time round, that should be open. So let me play it all together very, very slowly. One more time, very slowly. Okay? Now on bar 4, that's where you'll find the E minor on bar 4. So let me play the first 4 bars. Remembering, the first 3 bars are G, the 4th bar is E minor. I'll play this at a very slow tempo. So that's the first 4 bars. This part here might be a little bit tricky at first, but I want you to persist. Give yourself a little bit of time. It has a little bit to do with the strength on the left hand. You'll see that it deals with the chord A minor. Now we all know that's an A minor. However, in this particular case, we are going to play the A minor like this. We're going to go 5 frets down from the capo, which will place us here. And with our first finger, we're going to place it over the bottom 4 strings only. Okay, so make sure you don't touch string 5, the bottom 4. With our ring finger, we're going to place that on the 7th fret of the first string. So this is an A minor chord also, but it's a different shape. So for a lot of people, this is a very new shape. Don't worry too much. Now you may find at the start, you might get this sound. All that means is that you've got to develop a bit more strength in your left hand just to press down a bit firmer. But trust me, in time, that strength will come with a bit of practice. The picking on this starts this time on the 5th string. So now we go like so. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we come back to the 4th. We lift the ring finger and then on the 4th. So this is how our left hand should look at the beginning, like so. Remembering this is on the 5th fret below the capo, that's on the 7th fret. Okay, this will be a bit tough one at the start, but don't worry, keep at it, and I think you'll get a lot of success. Okay, so that will be bar number 5. Bar 6 will be a lot more straightforward. We're dealing with 2 particular chords in this, the A minor and the D. And it will be played in terms of these particular shapes. A minor and D both will share 1 bar, therefore they will only have 2 beats each. Simply do like this, 2 downstrokes with your right hand per chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that again very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We now come to bar 7, bar 8 in section 2. Bar 7 is just a repeat of that G chord, exactly what was done in the first 3 bars, like so. Again, very slowly. And in the next bar, we go back to E minor. Like so. Good luck, keep practicing, it's really important. I believe everyone can play this song, no doubt about that. Follow the instructions very carefully. Any questions, get in touch with Gabrielle. We're very happy to post anything to help all the students here. Thank you.